Okay, basement update 22. Big thing is that doors have gone up, trim's been painted, so basically all that stuff is done. So doors are up, black hinges. Next thing should be putting in the shower. He also cleared some stuff out, so there's some space to work at least. Storage room. Still not decided on what we want to do with the countertop. Still waiting to hear back on how they want to proceed. We want them to kind of price this as a remnant because it's going to have to go back to the yard and be sold as a remnant. So, yeah, we still want them to come back out and kind of clean up as best they can. But, yep, things are looking good. Check in next week.